Yes, good afternoon. Thomas Schaefer here with Blossom Installations. This is a 2001 Tiffen Allegro 34-foot Class A motor coach. This coach came with the Triplevision left, right, and rear view safety camera system from factory. That was a black and white system. We just got done upgrading the 3 cameras and the screen to an RVS full color safety vision system. This is the 9-inch color screen. This screen offers multi-view mode while traveling, so you can always check your left, your right, and your rear as far as traffic. When reverse gear is engaged, it automatically switches to full screen with microphone when reversing. When reverse comes out, you automatically go back to the multi-view. Your blind spot and side cameras also go full screen size when either blinker is engaged. When the blinker is removed, you'll keep the full screen view for full seconds, and then it will go back to the multicam mode. Blossom Installations, Northeast Pennsylvania, your technical, automotive, electrical installation experts. Blossom Installations.